If you're after a no-fuss, healthy, budget, family-friendly meal, then look no further to my loaded one-pot chicken and vegetable pasta.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So to start, over a high heat, add extra virgin olive oil, and then add chopped leeks and sweat them down for a minute or so. Turn the heat down to medium and add in the crushed garlic along with the cherry tomatoes, and next zest 1 lemon into the mix and stir well and cook for 5 minutes. The tomatoes will start to break down slightly and ooze flavour into the dish, creating its own sauce. While that's cooking, start on cooking your pasta. I'm using penne pasta, but you can choose whatever you prefer or have in the pantry. Cook it in some salted water and follow the packet directions. Back over to the vegetables, add the zucchini, broccoli and kale. You want these vegetables to hold their shape and not go all mushy, so make sure you don't overcook them. They should be tender but not really soft, and it should take around about 6 to 7 minutes. Finally, and this is optional, add in some shredded leftover chicken or pick up a roast chicken from your local store and bring it home after a busy day at work or school. You can of course leave the chicken out, add some bacon or roast your own chicken at home. It's completely up to you. Finally, drain and add the pasta to the mix along with about half a cup of that pasta water. I also mix in some grated parmesan right at the end. Mix everything well over a high heat for 2 minutes and the dish is ready to serve. Pile high into bowls and top with more parmesan and fresh parsley. In less time than it takes to UberEats to get your food to your door, you can have this wonderful home-cooked meal ready for the whole family and they will love it.